Early career recruiting has changed, but most teams haven't. More events, more candidates, higher expectations. Yet systems are still manual, fragmented, and outdated. Meet Abode Recruit, extending the Abode platform to the earliest stage of your funnel. Give candidates one place to learn about your program before they meet you. At the event, capture everything that matters: who they are, what they're looking for, what happens next. Every interaction becomes structured data. Candidates hear from you faster, and the experience feels intentional. And everything flows directly into Abode. One platform. From first touchpoint all the way to full-time hire. See it in action at abodehr.com.